A is for apple. 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 A, apple. B is for ball. 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 B, ball. C is for cat. 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 C, cat. D is for dolphin. 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 D, dolphin. E is for earth. 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 E, earth. F is for frog. 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 F, frog. G is for giraffe. 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 G, giraffe. H is for heart. 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 H, heart. I is for eyes. 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 J is for juice. 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 J, juice. K is for keys. 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 K, keys. L is for leaf. 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 L, leaf. M is for mouse. 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 M, mouse. N is for notebook. 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 N, notebook. O is for octopus. 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 O, octopus. P is for parrot. 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 P, parrot. Q is for queen. 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 Q, queen. R is for rabbit. 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 R, rabbit. S is for sun. 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 S, sun. D is for tree. 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 D, tree. U is for umbrella. 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 U, umbrella. V is for violin. 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 V, violin. W is for watermelon. 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 W, watermelon. X is for xylophone. 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 X, xylophone. Y is for yard. 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 Z is for zebra. Zebra. Bye bye. Subscribe for more.